Hi guys, welcome to Shaq's World. My name is Shaq. We have another fantastic day in Sydney, Australia. Tonight I'll be going for a ride with Sydeny Riders for the yearly Santa ride. Last year we had over 700 riders showing up. So I'm hoping to get over 800 this year. But before that guys, please smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Ho ho ho! So you guys might be wondering, Shaq, what is Sydeny Riders? Sydeny Riders is a social motorcycling community. So what they do is they do weekly rides every Thursday night at 5 Dock Shell petrol station. They usually meet up there before 8 p.m. because 8 p.m. sharp everybody leaves. And what they do is they go to different locations. So one week they might go to Old Pacific Highway. The next week they might go to Barra Waters. The week after that, Sackville Ferries. So each week they go to different places to mix it up a bit. So you guys might be wondering, what is the Santa ride? So the Santa ride is every December of every year. So what they do is they do one ride only, and they try to raise as much money as they can for the Cottage charity. So their aim is to raise about $5,000 this year. So let's help them out and let's see if we can raise over $5,000. Hi guys, welcome back to Shaq's World. I'm at 5 Dock petrol station. It's the biggest turnout I've ever seen. So let me adjust my camera and show you guys around. Give me 1 second. It's probably one of the biggest motorcycle events I've ever seen. And he's still going. Yeah, man. What's happening? And the line is still going. We've got so many bikes in here, it's not even funny. Bikes over there as well, both sides. We've got a nice RVF. Wow, man. This is probably one of the biggest motorcycle events I've ever seen. Wow. We basically blocked the whole petrol station. Looks very cool. Wow. You alright, man? What's happening?
Bro.
You like my Santa Claus?
You look like a fucking elf, bro.
And he's still going. Yeah, it's the biggest event I've ever seen, man.
Great enough space to put anyone in there.
Yeah. It will be good content, so. Yeah. Very cool bike. And it's still going. Wow. Huh?
I gave up trying to record. I'll be here all night.
Yeah. Oh. And it's still going. So we basically blocked the whole petrol station, McDonald's and the KFC.
What's his name? What's the age?
I think he's not coming.
Missing out.
Huh? Yeah.
Missing out on his chicks, mate.
That looks nice. It's been decorated very nicely. And it's still going.
Where'd you park?
All the way in the back, there was no parking. Huh?
Where's in the back?
You know where the office works is? Just over there. Yeah, man.
No, why?
There was no parking, that's why. Huh? About 15 minutes ago, 10, 15 minutes ago. Actually, no, 10 minutes ago. I really like the color on this jigsaw. Looks nice. Very cool. I wasn't expecting it to be that big, man. It's a massive turnout.
Where's your bead, man?
I lost it.
Oh.
I couldn't find it, so I'm like, nah, don't worry about it. I love this R1, the anniversary edition. And that looks nice.
No worries. Oh, man. I took it too.
There. And it's still going. It's still going, and we're having more bikes coming in as well. Man. Huh? Do you know what I'll do? I'll make sure I'm in the back, just in case. Yeah, guys. See, we blocked even this whole area as well. We got so many bikes in here, I can't even find my own bike. Love the color on the R6. We've got R1, old school. I mean, like, look at the turnout. The whole Macca's is full as well. We even got bikes over there as well. We blocked the KFC, we blocked the Macca's, we blocked the Office Works, everywhere. Yeah, so basically everywhere. I like his costume. Cool.
Okay, all right. Merry Christmas. What's up?
Good luck finding parking. Yeah, it's a massive turnout. Sorry, man. Thank you. And it's still going.
She just wanted to get out for KFC. She's fuming.
Wow, man, we even blocked the KFC as well. That sounds nice. I mean, like, look at the KFC. You got bikes on both sides, over there and over here. So the new ones. Love the paint scheme. Right, guys. And more bikes. I like the place on that. A weapon. Very cool.
You can buy them, $5,000.
Nah, I'd rather buy a new bike again. Is it yours? Very nice. I've got the same one, but base version. Even the McDonald's is full as well. We've got bikes everywhere. Over that side, over here. So that's where my bike is, all the way in the back, because I couldn't find any parking. Rev! Come on! Rep. So cool. Because this is all going on YouTube. nice spec.
Yeah.
Nice exhaust system and a nice color as well.
Yeah, it's a nice colour, you don't see it.
And that's the anniversary edition. Just wait.
The S1000's quicker faster though.
It's quicker, but come on, the sound.
The sound of it, yeah.
It's like a lion roaring.
So it's I saw a race. I saw a race on YouTube. Yeah. It's quicker.
There's 1000 is the rocket, man.
The thing is, I don't know what year model is 1000, but isn't it cheap?
Yeah.
This chick dropped her bike at the silver
That's sad.
at the first, last stop.
You know,
That's about 1,000. I can almost drop mine today, like I caught it.
really?
Yeah. My driveway, because my brother blocked the driveway with his car.
So many bikes, eh?
Yeah.
I wonder.
Okay, then.
Just a charity ride for Christmas.
Okay. Oh, is it the charity ride?
Yeah, I forgot where I parked my bike. It's around there somewhere. Yeah, it's there.
So which charity? Who's organizing this?
Beer Cottage? Beer Cottage? Yeah, Bear Cottage. Yeah, Bear Cottage. Wow, man. Still going. Give it a rev! Do like that. Otherwise, I would have missed out on this. Give it a rev!